Hello there. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best latte machines in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks. Then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a latte machine. We'll put the links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Keurig K-Cafe Coffee Maker. Do away with the mess of coffee beans and coffee grounds by investing in this Keurig K-Cafe Coffee Pod Latte Machine. You can use it with K-Cup coffee pods to make up to 6 cups before you need to refill the water reservoir. This latte machine also makes cold drinks like iced lattes or iced cappuccinos, so you have the option of enjoying a hot or cold beverage. Some coffee pod latte machines heat the water first and then depend on you to choose your brew settings. With this machine, you don't have to wait. Just add the water, insert the coffee pod, place your mug, and allow the machine to heat up water and brew your coffee in one step. It also features a dishwasher-safe integrated milk frother, so you can still add a steamed milk top to create an authentic latte. Number 4. Breville Barista Pro. The Breville Barista Pro is a coffee house in a box. The built-in pressure-activated conical burr grinder gives you fresh grounds however you like them, and the pressure gauge and options let you adjust the water temperature and shot amount. You have to froth your own milk, and the steam one makes it easier than the competition, with a handle and the ability to tilt in any direction. It cleans itself, and you can get hot water from the machine to brew tea or make an Americano. Previously, we recommended the Express model because it's a bit cheaper, but it was also more difficult to use. The Pro has revamped the controls, and operating it is much simpler and more intuitive. All the accessories you need are included here. There's a stainless steel milk jug, magnetic tamper, trimming tool, and more. Number 3. Mr. Coffee One-Touch Coffee House. This Mr. Coffee machine sits at a comfortable intersection where ease of use, automation, and affordability meet. It can extract a flavorful espresso from almost any beans and grind, and its milk reservoir will automatically mix a cappuccino or latte for you. This is basically a sturdier, better designed version of the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista, our affordable pick, with a nicer portafilter basket that takes ESE espresso pods and a milk reservoir that holds more milk and snaps in more firmly. Like the cheaper version, you have to load coffee in the portafilter basket yourself and twist it on. Use a fine grind and tamp it down with some pressure for the best taste. But the machine can mix a cappuccino or latte macchiato for you at the press of a button. It has 2 sizes of each and a manual mode that'll just keep foaming or extracting espresso until you tell it to stop. Number 2. Espresso 116.04 Pump EC100. This inexpensive semi-automatic latte machine from Espresso displays indicator lights for both on or off and to indicate whether it's set to brew coffee or steam milk. It's made of a combination of stainless steel and black plastic for a design that fits the aesthetic of most kitchens. The machine also features a stainless steel lined heating system to reduce heat loss, allowing your coffee to heat up faster. You can pour 1 or 2 drinks at a time with the dual sieves on this latte machine and use either ground coffee or pre-packaged espresso pods. The swivel frother or steaming wand continuously produces steam to achieve a perfect frothy top on a cappuccino or a silky steamed milk finish to your morning latte. Number 1. Breville BES 870 XL. Designed to give you the flexibility to customize your latte right down to a unique foam art creation, the semi-automatic latte machine from Breville uses a built-in digital temperature control system to deliver water at just the right temperature. It also features a milk pitcher and several brew filter choices to help you find the right option for your personal taste preferences. The latte machine is made of stainless steel, so it won't rust or warp with exposure to water and steam. It also offers an integrated coffee bean grinder with a simple grind-size dial that allows you to choose the ground of your coffee. For lattes, the machine includes a steam wand so you can froth or steam your milk, producing a hand-textured microfoam to pour over your coffee. Now that we've shown you the best latte machines out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Ease of use. Latte machines can be incredibly simple to use or so complicated that you may not feel comfortable making a drink on your own. When you're looking for a new latte machine, consider your own experience with making lattes and other specialty coffee drinks and how willing you are to learn new techniques. Aesthetic. Latte machines, like most kitchen appliances, can help your kitchen look incredible, or they can seem out of place with the rest of your decor. If you're satisfied with how your selected latte machine works, the next step is deciding if it'll look good in your kitchen. While aesthetics should not be a primary consideration when choosing a latte machine, it also shouldn't be neglected. Cleaning and maintenance. Some latte machines, like one-button coffee pod latte machines, are made with a few simple parts and are very easy to clean and maintain. These basic machines require you to regularly clean the pod compartment and the pouring area, as well as wiping away the small drops of water that can spot the outside and base of the machine. You'll also have to clean the water tank semi-regularly to ensure that hard minerals such as calcium and magnesium don't build up on the inside and damage the machine or alter the taste of your drink.